that was a cutoff. That was a Toyota turd. He ran the red. Yep. Yep. Oi. Well, is that next dive? I believe so. Reckless. Damn Nissan drivers. What? Ew! That was definitely an exit dive. No, I gotta pee. Stop, 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 stop. Bronco. Stop. Good, cut me off. Yeah, okay, thank you. And run the stop sign. Yeah. Thank you. Stop tailgating. Stop tailgating. Stop! You didn't stop. You didn't stop. You didn't stop. And you just turned the red light. Tailgate much? Yeah. Do you want to stay on your side of the road? Thank you. Hey, back on. Hi. No one's coming, no problem. Hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi. Hi, Grandma. Hi. Hi. See me here? Stop. Stop. Memory. Yeah. Are you close enough? Stop.
Southbound, aircraft coming out by 128, slow Mechanic Street, 495, and 124 southbound, you're into it.
Yeah, stop. Stop. There are two stops there. You just hit both of them. Go, stupid. Just don't sit in the fucking green. Yo, dum-dum. You have a green arrow. Go. Nitwit. Masshole. Left exit dive. Hey, hey-oh, yeah. What the fuck you beeping for? She had a yield. Toyo turd. Assholes. Stop before you turn. You didn't stop. Yeah. And you didn't stop. That wasn't quite a stop either. And neither was that. Oh my god. Anybody gonna stop today? I don't know. Maybe. Slow roll. Thank you. At least she wasn't tailgating. Yeah. Cut off. Kinetic cunt. Down the phone, cupcake. There was a cutoff. Stop. Exit dive. When you stop tailgating. Like that. Dude, come on. Stop. Was that a cutoff? What? Am I seeing Christmas lights? You have Christmas lights in your fucking car? Stop before you turn. Went straight from the turn lane, didn't he? That saved you half a second, didn't it? Relay runner. Next dive. Get off my ass dive. Suck. We're in the red, we're in the red. Hi, someone's coming. Hello, stop, please. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, I'm coming too. What do you know? Hey, you didn't stop. You're a prick. Fuck you. 421-8203. Fuck you. It felt like it, alright? Belong to me, oh villain, and I belong to you, deep down inside me now. Yes, I waved. Stop! Masshole Subadoosh. There's nobody that... Get out of my trunk, for fuck's sake, will you?